Yes, hello and welcome to Satoshi's Bitcoin Chart Show. This is the Bitcoin forecast, the strength of the system, the health of the network, where we find out what's up with what is going down. Today's date is Sunday, the 16th of March, 2025. The year BSV comes alive. Experience the best of both worlds today at betbitcoinsv.com, the best casino and sports betting on chain. Have a look for in private using the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin. Right, let's jump straight into it.
See Satoshi like a cowboy in the West, riding on the blockchain that they call the very best. 1 million strong, them transactions flying free. Just wait for the Terra node, you'll surely see.
All right, here we go. Feels good to be back in the saddle and looking at a regular screen again. Let's have a quick look at this. So we've got GregCoin at 83,282. For anybody who wonders why we call it GregCoin, it's because here is your mysterious creator of GregCoin, which is why BTC is no longer a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. It doesn't work. It's digital dog shit or digital gold or store of value. Not many use it, all because of this guy here. Let's get rid of that. There we go. We've got Bcash 330, Fisher Price Cash, who cares? Then you got Bitcoin. The original protocol goes right back to the Genesis block. It hasn't changed, making it the real Bitcoin, the true Bitcoin, the genuine Bitcoin, and the world's first and only ever digital commodity, backed by the value of data sovereignty, making it the most valuable commodity on earth because it's an extension of our own personal freedoms and liberties. And the original protocol, because when BTC forked on the 1st of August 2017, they're the ones, the SegWit protocol had to implement replay protection. Then Bcrash had to implement replay protection on the 15th of November 2018. But Bitcoin just carried on. But it's just got a new ticker symbol. It's now called BSV, and it's only $33. The genuine Bitcoin. Absolutely insane when you realize what we're looking at. Close that. So, right, let's have a look at the hash rate. So I'll have a difficulty adjustment first on Bitcoin. Yeah. All right, second highest it's ever been. Let's have a look at the difficulty adjustment on genuine Bitcoin. Yeah, okay. That adjusts quite swiftly. Let's have a look at hash rate. So hash rate, Bcrash going up and down, steady as you like on Bitcoin there. It looks really good. Right, and so for anybody who hasn't seen a node before, these are the backbone to the new global financial system, the world's first ever commoditized digital network. Blows my mind every time. All this from one 9-page white paper. Just sensational stuff. Sensational stuff. Right, transactions, we just got 7.66. So that represents 45,000 transactions and 1.7% of the entire market's transactions. Cross-reference that with what's on chain, 45,000. Yep, that is correct, Armando. Block size though, 84. Let's have a look at these blocks coming through. I can't imagine that they'll be very big anyway, because just comparing them to GregCoin. But look at that. So we've got more data in these 3 blocks than GregCoin has got in its entire column of 30. But still, the blocks aren't all that big compared to what we're used to. Hash rate follows price, follows value, follows utility, follows creativity, initiative, and intelligence. If you are intelligent and you use creativity and initiative, you can make something useful. When something is useful, it can then create value. When it creates value, it can then develop a price. When it develops a price, it can then be measured against the cost of other goods and services and used as a medium of exchange. If something is useful, it's valuable. If something is useless, it's worthless. It's that simple. Proof of work by network since 1st of August. Well, yeah, it just follows the price. But as Satoshi Nakamoto said, it's strictly necessary that the longest chain is always considered the most valid one. So this doesn't represent the longest chain. This simply represents the most proof of work, like hashing, which should represent the longest chain, but it doesn't because the prices are completely manipulated. Currently 44,000 times cheaper to transact on Bitcoin than GregCoin, mining Bitcoin at a 42% comparable loss. 10% more profitable to mine on Fisher Price Cash, and even Stevens over on Bcrash. So 10% better off mining on Fisher Price Cash there. Daily average Bitcoin block size by network. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin smashing that one. Transactions by network down on the log curve. Transactions per block, same thing really. Daily average Bitcoin fee Daily wisdom fees. So this is fees at USD. So still sub-cent fees on Bitcoin. Fees at Satoshis right down there on the log curve. Bitcoin smashing it. Daily Bitcoin fee to block reward ratio. Again, that red line will eventually follow this solid blue line here. As the block reward continues to get cut in half every 210,000 blocks, eventually the block fee will surpass the block reward, and then we have an economically self-sustaining system, which is what we're gunning for, and the cabal are trying to prevent by developing these second layer solutions and telling people not many use it, digital dog shit, all that crap, store of value. Give me a break. Here we go. Daily accumulated Bitcoin blockchain growth by network. This is the only chart you really need to look at, but it's just it doesn't really change all that. It doesn't really vary all that much on a daily basis, which is why we're looking at the other fundamental figures. Global hash rate 7 days. Global hash rate 24 hours. GregCoin hash rate. Ooh. Foundry USA pool and Ant pool. Wow. Over just almost like 60% between them. 60% on there. B Crush other miners 52.7. Fisher Price Cash, who cares? And Bitcoin says Moscow pool 0.69. Let's just cross-reference that with what's on chain. I don't know where they're getting Moscow pool. It says top pool here, but Kuv now nearly 34.6. QD Link 23.5. Tal 19.6. SA100 13.7. Gorilla pool 7.84. And top pool 0.65. Crypto Quant. See if we get a look in on here. Is it going to show us anything? Oh, got something. There we go. So the exchanges reserve, they've been dumping their reserves like real quick. Real heavy over these last few days. Jeepers. Jeepers. Don't want to be holding that shit when the music stops. Let's have a look at the Tether weather here. Nothing gone on over the last day or so. Oh, it has gone up in the week though, from 142.7 to 143.4. So what's that? 700 million gone in. That's 100 million a day. 100 million a day just to keep their Ponzi scheme going. And in the month, 141.6. 143 points or so. 2 billion. Yeah, 2 billion in a month. Good grief. Alright. Let's have a look at the short ratio. Where is that? Oh, it's over a percent. Over a percent. 1.07. Shorts looks like they're going up. Let's have a quick look on Coin Codex. Have they got anything worth investigating here? Binance futures down to 2.19 million. Oof, any other crazy figures? Addiction 6.9. Index, that's crazy. Huobi 4.2. Hotcoin 500,000. CoinEx. Alright, let's have a look at these. Let's have a look at Gate.io. $24-hour turnover. 231,000 on BSV. But 24-hour volume, just 6k, that's tiny. Let's have a look at Addiction. 24-hour volume. USDT. 6.9 million. Oh, maybe the other volume is BSV. The number of BSV rather than the actual dollar value. Let's have a look at this on Huobi. $4.2 million 24-hour turnover. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Whoa, what is going on here? What on earth happened there? This is just earlier today. Looks like we had a little bit of a rally going on there. Oh, look at this. Wow, look at that. just ups and downs on the month there. The price has held firm. The price has held firm since February. Middle of February. Whoa. Fascinating. Let's have a look at Bitcoin versus USD. There it is. It's gone down a little bit over the last couple of months, but holding its position is quite steady, really. Right, let's have a look at Bitcoin versus GregCoin on Orange Gateway. Look at this. So it's kind of held the line, yeah, since beginning of Feb. So it looks like they had one last ditch at getting rid of it, dumping the shit out of it, and then it's just plodded along. Can't get rid of it. I mean, how low can they push it? It can't go to zero. Let's have a look at Bitcoin versus USD. Oh. Great prices to go in at the moment. Jeepers. Satoshi Observer. Current TPS just half transactions per second. Transaction fees, those. 0.003 of a cent. Half a cent for BCH. 81 cents for GregCoin, which is six transactions per second for a cash system that I think has been going since 2009. What a joke. Live coin watched. Overall market cap $2.6 trillion. And GregCoin here. Market cap 1.6 trillion. Trade volume 15 billion. Just 0.9%. Oof. What's happened here in the last 24 hours? Whoa. Oh, that would explain the sort of green candle that we saw. Oof! Look at that. Taking a beating from 84. 24-hour high 84.6, low 82.5. So that's what, 20 grand, or 2,000 has gone down. Let's have a look. Bitcoin. So Ethereum. Oof, Ethereum's taken a hit. That was $1,800. That is taken quite a big hit. That one. What's that look like in the week? Look at that. So that was just 5 days ago. Took a beating. XRP $2.20 or $2.30 actually. Below Tether. Right, let's have a look at Bitcoin. Where are we? There it is, you beauty. Oh, Jasmine coming down. 33.64. Oh, it looks like that dropped off as well over the last 24 hours, but good on the week. So it says here Zedixian. It looks like Zedixian has almost got over a third. Over 30% of the 24-hour trade volume. Huobi in second. CoinDCX third. OKX in fourth. I think that's Hotcoin in fifth. Interesting. Oh, look at that. Went down. It took a right tumble there. Not really all that much on the week. Bitcoin surpassing the big dog in the week by the looks of things. Or from that last dump anyway. Alright, cool. There we go. We'll leave it there. Hope you enjoyed it. So as ever, if you enjoy these updates, please ding all donations for your appreciation to either Satoshi at sendme.com, handcash.io, rockwallet.me, simply.cash, relasia.com, or senti.ch. We'll leave it there. I hope you enjoyed it. As ever, be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.